The HR Certification Institute has adopted a code of ethical and professional responsibility to maintain the highest standards of conduct for those certified to use its professional marks. Acceptance of this authorization carries an implicit obligation to comply with all applicable laws and regulations while acting in a professionally responsible manner. These standards are essential for ensuring public confidence in the integrity of HR professionals. Professional responsibility requires certificants to add value to their organizations and contribute to their ethical success. As an advocate for the profession, you must accept responsibility for your individual decisions and adhere to the highest standards of ethical behavior. This includes working consistently within the values of the profession and advocating for the appropriate appreciation of human beings as employees. Closely tied to this is professional development, which mandates that HR leaders strive to meet the highest standards of competence. This is achieved through a commitment to continuous learning, skills development, and the application of new knowledge to the organization. Professionals also have a duty to contribute to the evolution of the field by disseminating knowledge through teaching and research. Ethical leadership demands that HR professionals act as role models for ethical conduct. You are expected to be ethical in every interaction and to question pending actions when necessary to ensure decisions are implemented in an ethical manner. If you are ever in doubt about the propriety of a situation, you must seek expert guidance. Furthermore, you should mentor others to champion the development of future ethical leaders in the organization. The ethical responsibility for fairness and justice involves promoting equitable treatment for all employees. This means respecting the intrinsic worth of every individual and fostering a work environment free of harassment, intimidation, and unlawful discrimination. HR must ensure that everyone has the opportunity to develop new competencies and assure an environment of inclusiveness and diversity. Policies must be developed and administered to foster consistent and equitable treatment regardless of personal interests. To maintain a high level of stakeholder trust, HR professionals must protect their professional integrity by avoiding actual or potential conflicts of interest. You must refrain from using your position for personal, material, or financial gain. Additionally, you should not give or seek preferential treatment in HR processes. It is your priority to identify and disclose conflicts to relevant stakeholders as soon as they arise. The use of information requires protecting the rights of individuals during the acquisition and dissemination of data. Information must be acquired through ethical means, and its accuracy and source must be investigated before it is used in employment-related decisions. Professionals are responsible for maintaining current records and safeguarding restricted or confidential information. Finally, you must take steps to ensure that all communications regarding HR policies and training are both accurate and complete. By adhering to these principles, HR professionals reinforce the credibility of their profession and serve as the ethical conscience of their organizations.